This is to Scratch coding and the group loves Scratch but Okay guys, today we're gonna learn how to make what did it just you? Okay. First we need a monster. Wait, no, sorry, something to collect. Now you can actually select anything. Now we need the monster. Oh yes. Shit. Wait. Since when did Scratch add a rooster? But there. Maybe the sprite will gonna be like a bit small. This much. What's wrong? Why isn't it shrinking? Oops. I accidentally did the name. Wow. Actually that is enough small. Now the board size maybe 25. Okay. And we have to create a new sprite for movements. Okay. So when the sprite clicked, it will gonna broadcast message. So when it receives message 1, go to glide 1 second to sprite 1. Okay. Now, oh wait. When green flag clicked, forever, go to mouse pointer. Now, when I click, this sprite will gonna go there. Oh yes, you might also like some backgrounds. Let me select maybe slopes, my favorite background in Scratch. Now time for the check. When green flag click, forever point towards 20 and if you're and depending on how much noob you are, you have to select low number. Well, time for the ball. So the reason okay, so when green flag clicked, forever change color effect by 25. Well, if you don't want this rainbow effect, then don't use this one. Okay. Now when green flag, forever, if touching, we need something. If touching. I remember, if touching is here, if touching 20, height. You might also like sounds. Okay, so it will gonna pop, then it will gonna wait for maybe 3 seconds, go to random position, sure. Now time to test it. Oh yes, this naughty bird. When green flag clicked, put the random position. Now let's test it out. Oh no, this birdie. Why is this birdie? No. I have a bad feeling about this game. It looks fun to me, actually. Not that bad. How should I outsmart this bird? This chick. I am so cute. Why is the bird chasing me? Please don't chase me, birdies. Birdie! Oh, birdie! I'm cooked. Okay, now that's it. Wait, I forgot something. If touching, now finally, if touching this sprite, then game over. Now let's test it. Oof. Okay, that's it for today. See you later.